This is Paul. The intent of the Domestic Violence Protection Act, yeah, is to protect the victims of domestic violence and communicate the attitude that violent behavior is not excused or tolerated. To mandate personal services a further requirement of the offense of violation of a protection order would undermine the legislative intent by creating an incentive for domestic violence perpetrators to avoid court appearances and avoid personal service. Now, it cannot be said that the legislative purpose to impose personal service plainly appears as a further requirement for establishing violation of a protection order. Yeah. But I would say, yes, the Domestic Violence Protection Act is to protect the perpetrators of domestic violence from the enrichment, yes, of the individuals known as victims, and communicate the attitude, yes, that you will not issue garnishment orders because of being a victim. Now, there's this problem right now. Prosecuting Attorney's Office. The defendant has had significant time to seek a remedy in regards to the order for protection. Section 9 of the order for protection specifically allows the defendant to seek review of the order upon motion at any time in the Column County Superior Court. Right! Now, this is the defendant's remedy when alleging due process violations in that underlying order for protection. I'm not just alleging due process violations. Yeah, I'm alleging conspiracy, fraud, yes, felony, forgeries, yes, perjury, yes, impersonation. Right now, false arrest, fabricated evidence, and entrapment. Right now. Now, I'm not just alleging due process violations. I'm accusing the court of not having the jurisdiction of legal separation. Now, the state's responsibility in this matter to prove the underlying sufficiency and reasoning used by the magistrate, Brent Baisden, in signing a 10-year protection order, yes, where I was supposed to take lithium products for the rest of my life, right, pay child support at $1,500 a month for the next 25 years, because this court does not seem to understand jurisdiction. Now, the underlying validity of the protection order is it established legal separation without subject matter jurisdiction of law. And I'm supposed to pay $160,000 inclusive of 12% annual interest rate right now.